ati thutha wa ndeto kumira ati mitambo ya thirikari ni irakoretwo ikigomerwo na kuhithukirwo ni ekinae a nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria riu Minista wa ukinyaniria niwe ELIUD Owalo ni akiyumiritie na gutitirithia ati gutikiri riboti o ciothe kana ndari o ciothe cia bururi wa Kenya iragikorirwo ikiura makoragia o ari thukuru-ini wa airitu wa Ngia Girls High School kuria aruguritie laboratory ya KIIRIU gukinyaniria mubango wa mathomo cukuru-ini uyu.
Today we are here to launch the digital laboratory. The digital laboratory is one of the programs that we have within the Kenya Kwanza administration as part of our digital superhighway. The purpose of this is to ensure that you have got digital skills, because in the of today, in the job market, if you don't have basic computer skills. But subsequent to that, we also want you to start doing certain jobs through the computer, digital jobs. Progressively, we will introduce you to those digital jobs. Digitalization in the national government, even the county governments are doing digitalization. We want to move at the same pace. We want to turn Kenya into one digital economy. We are not going to have paper. Was a small incident where the services were temporarily interfered with. I want to take this opportunity again to assure Kenyans that what we witnessed was an attempted attack on the eCitizen platform. And the data that we have within the eCitizen platform was in no way interfered with. What they did was to make more than normal requests into the system so that the system gets jammed or the system gets clogged. But the mitigation framework we have around that system thwarted that attempt, and as we speak, we are back to operations. All the services can be consumed virtually as before. We
desire to achieve what they want to achieve.
Gutigane na icio tukirongoreria riboti